All right, welcome to section 9.3 on determinants. So our objectives here are calculating determinants, finding the area of a region, and applying Cramer's rule. So a determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix, how do we do that? Well, if we have a matrix A, B, C, D, the determinant of that is a real number defined by, and what we're going to do is we're going to take A times D minus C times B. So we're going to basically multiply down here and then subtract whatever that is. So that's going to be the determinant of that matrix. And so if we look at that for two simple 2 by 2 matrices, we're going to take 5 times 6 minus 4 times 3. And here we're going to take 7 times 4 minus a minus 3 times a minus 2. And when we do that, we get, that's going to give us 18. And when we do this one, we're going to get a 22 because that's going to be, minus, and that becomes a plus. So it's going to be 28 minus 6 is going to be 22. Now, what about if we have a 3 by 3 instead? Well, here, what we have to do is we're going to have to go down the column here, and we're going to take these coefficients, and they're going to be out in front. And then we're going to take the determinant of the matrix that's left over. So if we cancel out that one and we cancel out that, then we'll have this as far as our 2 by 2 left over. And then if we go and say, okay, now let's now cancel out, this one, we're going to use this one. So that's going to cancel out this and this. So that's going to be B1, C3, B3, C1. And that's what we have here. And then again, if we go on our last one, then we'll cancel out this and this. And so we'll have B1, C2, and then B2, C1, which is what we have over here. And so that's what we're doing. We're taking the coefficient. And now the key thing here is the middle one is going to be subtract. So remember when you're doing the determinant, it's this one's plus, but this one we subtract off. Okay. Now, all these smaller 2 by 2 matrices from this big 3 by 3 are called minors. So they might ask you to find a minor or something like that, and that's what that's going to be. So that's how we're going to define the determinant of a 3 by 3 matrix. All right, let's stop there, and then we'll come back with some examples.